That India sees itself as a sort of a leader of developing economies, especially the emerging economies, through the membership of fora like the G20, through increased participation in international dialogue at many levels. India seeks to uh, be the voice of many countries who we think may not have such tax systems which develop to that extent and therefore may not be willing to come out with their thoughts. We are particularly talking about countries like Brazil or with Indonesia, uh, even China in many respects, uh, Argentina. These are all nations which are all part of the G20, all part of this drive for the emerging economy. And when we assume this role in the emerging economy, we have, of course, a number of competing concerns. One is the need for investment, domestic as well as investment from overseas. At the same time, there is a need for raising resources domestically, tax resources. We don't necessarily see a conflict between these two objectives of inviting investment or increasing investment and also increasing tax resources. We believe that both can be done simultaneously as long as the policy issues are made clear and are transparent enough for people to make their own decisions. So in that context, yes, I mean, the past couple of years, there have been some developments in the tax arena where I would be the first to admit that India's image abroad had taken a bit of a beating. I don't intend to go into all those issues and as to why and what was done. The point is that, I mean, there was a sort of one way of looking at things, a national interest in what was being done. The consequences perhaps were not fully appreciated at that time. In any case, now the last 6 months or maybe more than that or a year, India has been going back to what it has always been saying, that we have a stable tax policy, we have clear views on tax issues. There is nothing in these views which should act against investment and or against enterprise in any way. There have been a number of disputes which have come up, tax disputes in the last couple of years, and that is one problem area that we are trying to now address. There is a large inventory of disputes with multinational enterprises, which has to be solved through the tax treaty route. I think we are making progress in all those areas. Many of those disputes arising from transfer pricing are primarily with the US. We have started a dialogue with the US. We have laid down an agreed roadmap, and we are moving on that roadmap as we wanted to. I hope and I think I'm quite confident that we will be able to make some significant progress towards resolving these disputes with the US, particularly during the current financial year or maybe shortly thereafter.